guys, we are at part 2 at tearing apart the engine, and the last video we did a few things. We removed the turbos, wiring harness, and some of the accessories. So today we're gonna finish it up. And let's get started because there's a lot of work to be done. And then let's see who could do it faster. I bet you I could. Ooh, I'm winning! I'm winning! I'm winning, Seth! I'm beating you! You gotta hurry up! Hold on! Wait, hold on! Okay, one. Oh, well, I did win, but you just took off the things faster. Right here. Oh, it's gonna splooge. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hey, this one wasn't sploogey. Cover removed. Okay, so we removed the timing cover. Now to get down and dirty with all this grease, take the timing chains off. Okay, how do you remove these timing chains? Oh, that's it. Oh my gosh, that's so much splooge. That's a lot of sploogey oil. Dang, I thought most of it had already come out. Wait, is it hot?
Yes.
Yay! It worked. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Whoa! I didn't know that was gonna come out. Okay, where are we putting it? On the bottom?
Yeah.
You got it? Comment below if you want Seth to wear matching pink gloves like me. I think he should. I think everything should be pink. So now that the oil pan's removed, you can see the crankshaft and the 6 connecting rods. Pretty neat. Oh my God. Okay, I'm stuck. Wait, are you holding it?
It's not gonna tip over.
Oh my God. Ugh. Okay, I really don't. Oh. Wait, I'm almost there. Okay.
You're good?
Oh, did I do it? Okay, I did! Oh, there it goes. So sticky. We did it! Okay, so we're taking the camshafts off, and then we're gonna take the heads off, and you have to do it in a particular order in order to do it correctly. cams out and we put it in the, again, right spot. Get this off right here. Now for the other side. All done. So I obviously can't get this removed, so I need the muscle over here. Seth is gonna help me remove it because you need a ton of muscle and he's been going to the gym. Oh. But I need the leverage because I'm not tall like you guys. Stand on the earth. Oh, shit. Oh.
Keep going.
I'm doing it with one foot.
Go ahead, straight up. There you go.
I did it!
Put it on the table.
Oh, on the table?
Careful.
Okay.
Mighty round.
That was hard work. Okay. Hold on.
It's so dangerous that you're standing on the...
I know, but I can't lift it if I'm on the ground. Step. Ah! Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. Ah!
Don't slam it.
I know. The heads are done. All right, guys, so that was the last part, is removing the pistons and rods. So now it's pretty bare with the crankshaft and the block. We're gonna send this baby off to the machine shop. They're gonna inspect it, check if there's any cracks or issues. And if we're good to go, we have to put everything back together. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and comment below on what else y'all wanna see for this channel. See you next time, bye. Thing's gonna tip over if I, ah! Get loose with your goose.